So I would make people do social freedom exercises that were quite entertaining, but it would make them face their ego. So for example, walking up to a couple on the street and just be like, hey, are you guys together? Yeah, can I just get your advice real quick? It's my ex-girlfriend's birthday, and I want to buy her a gift, but I don't know exactly what I should get her. Because I don't want her to think that I want to get back together with her. Do you guys have any advice? Like, what do you think I should do? Any ideas? And just maintain eye contact for 5 minutes while picking 5 minutes. Other exercises were more subtle, just like coming up to a Starbucks window. It's packed on the other side. You just put your nose right up against it, and you just open your mouth and just stare at the ceiling. No talking, no eye contact. 5 minutes, just look at like her face right now. That woman's face right there. She was doing it. Sometimes we walk into the Starbucks and we come up to like a couple that are clearly on a date. If there's an extra chair, and be like, sorry guys, is this chair taken? They're like, no, go ahead. I'm like, thanks a lot. Take the chair, just pull right up next to them. So, is this the first date? You gonna sleep with this guy tonight or what? Just awkward, so good. It's so good. You guys have loved it. It was so good.
Come check me out live on AlexTheComic.com.